What is up, guys? I'm here with Nick, and today we were changing out my Speedo gear, my 23-tooth Speedo gear. So we got the car raised already, and now we gotta go to the end of the trans tunnel and undo like one bolt, and yeah. So it shouldn't take too long, Nick, but knowing us, we're probably gonna mess something up somewhere. So yeah, let's what are you doing to my headlights? Boy!
Trying to fix your shiznit.
Dude, it's not. It's like weather stripping, dude. It's not even like the headlight stuff.
But like,
it still looks garbage. Whatever. Let's just get started. A bolt right there that we gotta get out. Hey Nick, can you get me an 8mm? Yeah. Or even just anything 8mm. But that should be it. We undo that and we can pull the stuff out, and it should have the gear on it. So that's fine. I don't see any other like 8mm sized bolts. So that should be it. Alright, so for like, how long would you say that was? Like 15 minutes?
yeah.
Of like testing bolt sizes, it was an 11. So there's like the Speedo gear. 8. Chill. But we got that out, and there is the Speedo gear that I'm changing out for this one. So I think it just slides off. No, I think there's a clip in front of it or something. And Nick,
What?
so apparently these ones strip like easily.
Yeah.
Or not easily, but they strip after a while.
Yeah.
So and only like 15 bucks.
Yeah.
Hey, is my Speedo like changing? Like look in the Speedo. Are you looking? Is it changing? Is it moving? No? Okay.
Probably turn it a lot more and a lot faster.
Oh. Hold on, something just fell off. What? Oh, it's the clamp. Okay. So we completely took the thing out, so we have stuff to work on it. And while I was gone, Nick just decided to take it apart. So I didn't even get to see how to do it.
Sorry.
Where's the gear at?
Let's put it right there.
What's it?
Look at how scuzzy it is. Nice and oily.
Yeah. So it was really oily and all greased up because the O-ring, I think this ring right here.
Wearing on.
Yeah. My dad said there's a blue box. I think. Oh, this one. Okay. O-rings. Ow, I just cut myself on the toolbox.
Good job.
Look at all the O-rings. Does this one fit?
Well, I broke the O-ring. So.
Oh, you broke the. Okay.
Sorry.
Well,
It's not damaged.
yeah, well, it's worn out, so it's whatever.
Yeah. It kind of just snapped. So.
That looks like the good size. The right size right here.
Legit.
Yeah. That's the right size. Dude, look how like flat this thing is though.
Well, it's been on there forever.
Yeah, it's been on this since '98.
Yeah.
Where'd it go? Oh. Alright, so now we can put this on. And then we can put the gear back on, and then we can throw it back in the car, and then we're done. Alright, so we got the clip in. Got the clip in, got the new O-ring. I cleaned it up a little more because it was all greasy. But yeah, we're ready to plug this in, and then we can go for a test drive. That way we can make sure it reads right. Ready to plug it back in. I'm gonna clean up that connector though, that like connects to this. That way it's not all greasy or all oily. I mean, I can't get this bolt in.
Why not?
I don't know. I got this far.
Did you put it on backwards?
No. Dude, this is so annoying because I gotta deal with like the exhaust.
Yeah.
And, like my arms are like long, so like can't really move it.
Do you need help?
Nah, I got it, mate.
You sure?
Yep. I finally got it on after like 40 years. I felt like
40.
I couldn't get the bolts in. It was so annoying. But guess what?
10,000 years.
But guess what? Now we get to go test it.
Yeah.
And I don't know if and I don't know if I just didn't put it in all the way or Nick jammed it and probably broke it. But it was like it like pushed it a little bit more. So he either jammed it in or he.
That angle on it, bro.
Yeah, that would suck.
It just stops because you shredded all the plastic off of it.
Yeah. Okay, ready? Yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna take it off the ramps.
Yeah.
I'll go slow.
Like that.
Oh. I didn't even press the gas.
That's why I hate those things.
Dude, I'm more than certain that Speedo fixed it a little bit.
Yeah.
Look at the tire mark. Someone did donuts.
There's probably some dude in me out there.
My turn. No, just kidding. But all in all, it worked out pretty well, don't you say, Nick?
Yeah.
But here's the old gear. This one looked like it was like getting old because like some of like the teeth are like dented. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, just ask, and I'll see you guys later.